Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF form on your iPhone. Start by finding the PDF document you wish to sign, which might be in your Files app or perhaps attached to an email. Simply tap on the file to open it in a viewer, bringing the document right up on your screen. Once the document is open, you are perfectly ready for the first step towards adding your personal signature. Now look for the markup icon, which resembles a small pen tip. It is often found at the top right or bottom right of your screen. Tap this icon to bring up the editing toolbar. Within this toolbar, you will see a plus sign button. Tapping this plus sign will then present you with several useful options, including adding text or, most importantly, a signature. After tapping the plus sign, choose the signature option from the menu that pops up. If you have previously saved a signature on your iPhone, you can simply tap it to insert it right away. Otherwise, to create a brand new signature, draw your name clearly and naturally on the provided line using your finger. Once you are satisfied with how it looks, just tap Done in the top right corner. Once you have created or selected your signature, it will magically appear on your PDF document. It usually starts in the center, but you can easily tap and drag it with your finger to precisely move it to the correct signing line on the form. To adjust its size, simply use the small blue dots at each corner. Dragging these dots will resize your signature until it fits perfectly within the designated space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.